So here we are, hard at work. View of the palm trees outside. 9 to 5 job. Printer set up. Look at there. Got everything. Now I have the office totally set up. There's a printer, the files, computer, little break table. Still can fold that down, turn it into patio, but when I need to get a breath of fresh air, I just open the door. Come out here, take a nice breath of fresh air. It's a bit windy out here in Florida today. Windy and cold. I say cold, it's 57 degrees. But for Florida, that is cold there. Come on. Anyway, so this is my office view now. We are set up here for 14 days. So we're good. Move every 14 days, about a 5-mile move every time. So not too bad. So there you go. You're up to date, not too late. Y'all have a good day. So come on, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, we are get to get out and go sightseeing the beautiful city of Kissimmee and Orlando. Can't do any of the Disney World or Universal Studios or anything until weekends. Saturdays and Sundays we can go play. But for the meantime, we're here working 9 to 5. Technically we work 6 to 10, but I like to tell everybody 9 to 5. Because that way at 5 o'clock, if I want to go out to dinner or go do whatever, I can do it without being as guilty or getting as much trouble. Is that the right word? Anyway, you guys have a good day. That's all we got. Thanks for watching. Beautiful, sunny Florida is a cool 55 degrees today. We are staying at Tropical Palms RV Resort in Kissimmee, Florida. So, probably made you dizzy right there, didn't it? There's my site right over there. Came a big storm Saturday as we were traveling. We spent, Sunday. We spent Saturday night in Lake Park, Georgia. Drove about 300 and some odd miles on Saturday and stopped and bought a generator for the RV on Sunday morning in D-Land, Florida. Got here about 5:30 yesterday evening. And it's a bit wet, but it will dry. But the truck is trashed, the trailer's trashed. So hopefully later this evening when I get off work, I'll go get the truck cleaned up. Hey. And well, anyway, we got her all set up. So got the smart car out of it. See, we made a mess of the yard with the rig here. But check out this generator, man. Check this out. That's what I'm talking about. So we just got to get it finished wired up. So we should be good to go. So still don't have my tag for the smart car yet. But anyway, not a bad sight. Later this evening, I will drop this back patio down. It's just a bit windy out right now, and the wind's coming from that direction. Should go right through my doors. So I'll drop this back patio back down here, and we'll have a nice back patio. Got the grill all set up on that one. So yeah, not too shabby there, Roger. Had a Class A right here. They just left. So we'll see what comes in next. All right, I got to get back in there and get back to work. Look what a difference the next day is. It's Tuesday. Beautiful clear skies. The wind has calmed down. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice quiet campground. Some older people here. Hang on, let me get past this guy. We're back. I mean, just look, man. It's high noon. Just took a lunch break. Made myself a ham and turkey wrap. Now I gotta get back to the office. Done a couple carrier packs this morning, a few rate cons, and we're doing good, man. So anyway, not too shabby. 5 o'clock gets around here, should still be gorgeous. Take a bike ride. Got a new neighbor. 100% dad or something. I looked him up on YouTube. Didn't have very many followers on YouTube, I think. But he sure has an expensive wrap on his fifth wheel there. He got here late last night in the dark, providing encouragement and wisdom for dads. 100% dad. You guys go look him up on YouTube. He's got Facebook, Instagram. I'll show you that here in a little bit. And gotta find a shop, take that smart car and drop it off to. Something wrong with the rear, if it's a brake hub or wheel seal going, or wheel bearing. It's making noise. Anyway. Alright, there's the puppy. Everybody say hello to the puppy. Hey girl. What you doing, pretty girl? Can you focus through the screen? Yep. So yeah, cool. Alright, there you go. That's what you call Southern hospitality.